Did you eat the yogurt and the bread?
Yes.
So, itong kaibigan natin na si Ems, hindi pa kami nagkita in person ever. Yes. First time namin makikita today and sa wedding pa niya. So, very special talaga yung aming first meeting, di ba? Oh, I'm gonna cry. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Today is the day ikakasal na ang ating friendship na si Ems. It's nearly 3 o'clock, guys, kaya nagmamadali na kami ni Daddy Mike dito. So, we are going to the venue now kung saan sila ikakasal. And ayan, nakabihis na si atin nyo, guys. Tingnan nyo, naka-curl-curl ang ating hair. Ayan. And oh my God, first time in maybe I don't know, 7 months na nakapag-makeup ako ng full-on makeup talaga, guys. Yung nakapag-kilay tayo, nakapag-eyeshadow, ayan, pilik mata. Pero yung aking pilik mata, guys, is mascara lang yan. Kasi, bumili ako ng, yung fake lashes ba? Pero I'm very hopeless pagdating sa fake lashes, guys. Hindi ko alam kung paano ilagay, kaya ayan. So, naglagay na lang tayo ng mascara para hindi naman tayo masyadong plain. Ayan, what do you think of our look, guys? Si Baby Paris pala ay nasa childcare today. Yung gagawin namin later pagkatapos ng kasalan, pick upin namin si Paris from the childcare. Tapos, diretso kami ng South Melbourne kasi doon yung dinner after the wedding. Kaya yun, pakita ko sa inyo yung outfit natin, guys. And let me know what you think. Diwata-diwata lang ang ating, pa-aura today. So, here's our outfit, guys. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ang ating background. Mamaya na namin yan lilinisin. Yan talaga yung nangyayari, guys, kapag nagre-ready kami to go somewhere kasi we don't know what to wear at ayan, hayaan nyo na, guys. Anyways, so ito ang aking dress. Ayan, so floral lang tayo, guys. Ayan. And then, oh my God, first time nating isuot yung ating, bakit sobrang bright? Hala. Ayan. Mas kita nyo ang print ng ating damit. And then, first time nating isuot yung shoes na binili ko online. Have a look. So cute, guys. I told you. I know I'm going to love these shoes, guys. Ayan. And then, we'll pair it with this cute bag. Ang lighting ay nag-change na naman. Ayan. So, ayan yung ating outfit, guys. Si Daddy Mike ay nasa bathroom, nagre-ready pa. But, yes. Ting-ning-ning. Ayan ang ating likuran, guys. Oh, pakita likod. Tak. Oh my God, I'm very, very excited, guys. So, I'm going to tell you a funny story, guys. So, itong kaibigan natin na si Ems, hindi pa kami nagkita in person ever. Yes. First time namin makikita today and sa wedding pa niya. So, very special talaga yung aming first meeting, di ba? So, nagkakilala kami ni Ems sa YouTube ata. Yes, I think sa YouTube. Tapos, naging kaibigan kami sa Facebook. Tapos, pag nagpo-post siya, nagla-like ako, nagko-comment ako. Tapos, message lang ng ganun. Dahil sa lockdown, hindi kami nagkita talaga yung bang, hindi siya nakabisita dito, hindi kami nakabisita sa kanila. Kaya, yun, hindi kami nagkita talaga, guys. Wala kaming chance na magkita. But, the other day, pinost niya na ikakasal nga siya. Yun. And then, in-invite niya kami, which I'm very happy about. Kasi, yun bang, kahit na hindi kami nagkita in person before, in-invite niya pa rin kami ni Daddy Mike. I'm very honored, kaya thank you, Dai, for the invitation. Kasi, alam nyo guys, inabsinan ko talaga to. Nag-leave ako today for this wedding. Kasi, very short notice kasi guys, kasi today is Thursday. Nung Tuesday pa niya kami sinabihan na pwede ba kaming pumunta doon sa kasal niya. Kaya buti na lang yung aking boss ay mabait. Sabi ko, mag-leave ako today and she said it's okay. And here's our Daddy Mike. Nakakarapatos. At nakasuit pa. Ayan. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Maulan. Buti na lang hindi masyadong maginaw kahit na umuulan. Ayan, dala na natin ang ating regalo. Ayan, tapos sa plastic bag na yan, yung damit ni Paris for later. Kasi, Ayan, doon na natin bibihisan si Paris mamaya pag pick up natin sa kanya. Anyways, we have to go guys. We'll see you soon. Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Okay. Anthony, did you not give her breakfast in bed or brush your teeth or something? She's crying all the way there. No, it's more nerves and it is an incredibly emotional time. Yep. Okay, you alright? Okay. Kamusta? Mubuhay kay ora. I don't know if that was a 10 or a 9, but hi everyone, and welcome to the wedding ceremony of
Yay! I'm next.
You're next.
Ito, guwapo kayo, uy. Video na ha? Video na.
Ay, sabi ko picture ka lang.
Hindi para sa vlog.
Hello!
Dayo, makaingan pa lang silang kastuan ako.
Yeah.
I think we'll be fine without the umbrellas, Julie. We'll be fine.
Yes.
Guys, the ceremony is finished. Ayan, pupunta pa kami ng somewhere mag-picture taking. Ayun na sila, sobrang ginaw. Oh my God. Punta kami ng sasakyan ngayon, guys. Tapos sunod kami sa kanila. And then, yeah. Daddy, show my outfit, Daddy B.
Huh?
Show my outfit. Mag-pictorial na kami, guys. Ay, sila pala. Ayan. Oh, and it's raining. You okay, Daddy? Sobrang maulan kahapon. Sobrang ganda ng araw. At ngayon, maulan naman. But at least, hindi siya masyadong maginaw, guys. Kasi sa atin nyo, ay tingnan nyo. Oh, see-through pa ang ating dress.
Ay, may ano lang yan. Ganunin mo lang. Oh.
Yes! Ay! Oh my God! Pinapapunta kami doon, guys. Oh. Yung ano, yung maniniyot. Nandun pala, guys. Pinapapunta kami. Naka high heels po more. Agay. Pero kala. High heels po more.
Kaya sakit naman.
Allah.
Bato ko magsaakit.
Oh my God. Ang ganda dito, guys.
Ang ganda ng putik
Yeah?
dito tayo.
Oo. Ayun na sila, guys. Oh. Saan pa ba tayo pupunta nito? Uy. Pit. Are you okay ba?
Kamusta ka? Kamusta ka naman?
Oh my God.
Hala.
Hala. Ay, but may tubig ba? May tubig ba dyan?
Libre yata yan oh. Leg.
Pictorial pa more. Ay, may lake pala dito, guys. Kaya dito sila dinala. Kasi maganda yung view. Ayan. Malapit na palang mag 5 o'clock, guys. And pick upin na natin ang ating baby girls. Hala, kumusta naman ang ating shoes dyan? Ay. Hala, tunog-tunog na to dito sa kuan. Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Oh. Sobrang ginaw lang. Maganda kasi may mga water lilies. Okay, high heels pa more.
This time round.
Did you make that one? Yes. Good job, Paris. How about your water bottle? Ooh, look at your water bottle.
You're a princess, honey.
Good job, my love. Good job, Paris. Jovey, show it to mommy.
Show the wings.
Show the wings. Show the wings. Show the wings.
I eat it.
Huh?
I eat it. Yogurt. I eat bread.
The yogurt.
Did you eat the yogurt and the bread?
Yes.
Wow, good job, Paris. Come on, let's go. We're going to the city.
Get some ice cream first, eh?
Okay.
Have you been a good girl today?
Are you sure? Okay, if you say so. Guys, so it's now 5:30 ng hapon. And ang ating baby girl ay nandyan sa likod. Hi, Nak! And sobrang maulan talaga, guys. We are now on our way to South Melbourne kung saan gaganapin yung dinner. And it's around 25 to 30 minutes from here, guys. Kaya punta na kami. Doon na namin bibihisan si Paris.
Huh?
Yung suot niya, yun pa rin, oh.
That is so funny.
I think it's easier if we just change her clothes there, Daddy. Yeah. So, see you soon, guys. Are you okay, Daddy? Guys, nandito na kami sa South Melbourne, guys. Dito kami sa likuran ng sasakyan. Si Daddy, he's just buying something. At itong ating baby girl ay sukilala na kasi gustong magdidi, hindi kasi kumain sa school. Oh. Why didn't you eat at school today, anak? Huh? Yaki, what did they give you? Huh? Did they give you yogurt? Ana, sukilala na ang ating baby girl. Ito pala yung dress, guys. Ayan. Yung susuotin ni Paris. Pero doon na natin siya bihisan sa harapan ng talaga ng restaurant. Kasi ngayon, pag ilabas ko yan siya ngayon, mahirap na yan siya ipasok ulit. Nabihisan na ang ating baby girl, guys. Nandito na kami. Ayan, Tipsy Village. Andiyan na pala sila sa loob. Ah.
Thank you.
Yes, tap, tap, tap.
It means a lot to us.
Going to the floor.
Yeah.
Nakape yan? Ay, sabi na.
Hello! I-invite sa inyong vlog. Manood kayo ng ano?
Hindi ako marunong mag-invite, char.
Manood kayo. Guys, manood kayo. Meron siyang vlog, guys. Ano pangalan ng channel?
Ang lifestyle is here, char.
Lifestyle.
Bigyan naman.
Bigyan naman. Gusto niyo pag-subscribe.
Thank everyone for being here. My really good friends and family. I do appreciate everything you've been here for me, or for us. Now I've had a speech. This is ad lib, so I want to thank my beautiful bride. She's absolutely gorgeous, and
You can have that.
I love you so much. Okay. I also want to thank Elizabeth and Peter. Thank you for putting this venue on for us for our wonderful day. We really do appreciate from the bottom of my heart, our heart. Thank you. I also want to acknowledge my parents, my mum and dad, who couldn't make it today. It's a little upsetting because they wanted to be here so much. I love them so much, and they've been so much support for us in the last year and a half, and I appreciate everything they've done for us. My sister also, and my brother-in-law, who couldn't be here, Wendy and Rich, they rang us this morning and congratulated us and wished us well. My friends, Ellen and Jack, I thank you for coming. I know you had work today, and I do appreciate you switching shifts. Jovey, Michael, and young little Paris, we do appreciate you coming. Anne, you've been amazing to Emily since you've known her, so I appreciate that.
Thanks, really. I'm Polish, we could use some thanks. There we are then.
Okay.
It's a pleasure, no? Thank you.
Later, honey.
Beautiful wine.
Ako maghawa ang camera. Ay, ibigay mo sa kanya dalawa kasi magbibidyo ako. Okay. Sino nagawin ko? Ha? Sino magpaki? Pakibuka.
No, this is artificial.
There was a restaurant.
Picture?
Picture muna.
Picture mo na yan, para na ganun.
Don't worry about the video. I got the video.
Okay.
Successful. He was in banking.
Sige, here back.
I think it was short term money market, and he made a little bit of money in the birthday restaurant.
Okay, video na to.
And then here.
Fine for the. It was an incredible experience.
Paris. Do you like your cake?
But I can do the
You got a fork? Yeah.
Yeah, she's got it. Thank you.
And that way I can actually enjoy the cooking and get the guys actually helping to do the steps. It's fine, it's good. What are you doing?
Maybe just that.
No, I'm never late for work.
Oh, that's got bigger.
Guwapa kayo dyan sa camera tayo.
Oh, dad. We're going home now, guys. Congratulations again.
Thank you. Oy, thank you, Dad. Hindi naman nag-ano sa yung camera, Dad. Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much, Dad.
Bye-bye. We're going home na, guys, because it's nearly 10 o'clock. Ay, hindi.
Mga guys, guwapa kayo ba?
Thank you, guys.
Kayo, ate. I agree.
Yes.
Nanday, thank you for having us, Day, ha?
Thank you.